It usually took about 2 to 3 hours to fall asleep every night. And then I'd wake up after 3 or 4 hours and I couldn't really get back to sleep. And this has been my life.
I was not sleeping. I was tired when I got up. I was tired when I went to bed. I was tired all day, and I just felt lost.
I would lay in bed just thinking about the next day. And before I knew it, it would be morning and I'd had maybe 4 or 5 hours of sleep.
I've done the sleep studies. I've been on the highest dose of sleeping aids, and they didn't work. I just found myself in a state of decline, to the point where I was almost immobile.
I drank a lot so that I could sleep well.
I want to say, with the 9 years of insomnia, I was on all kind of medication, natural medication, vitamins. Nothing seemed to work.
And it just got so bad, it was just spiraling. So I was like sleeping 1 hour a night.
Since I went through the program, I have not had not one sleepless night. I fall asleep so much faster and I just flat out feel better.
By day 3, I slept all night for the first time, and I don't know how long. Tears could come to my eyes.
Day 14, I was sleeping like a baby.
The first week I was resting like I hadn't rested in over a decade.
And now I don't use it at all. I sleep fine.
I can sleep now.
I'm getting 5 to 6 to 7 hours of uninterrupted sleep. And I'm just so thankful for that.